Mamaya na yan. Oh, sige. Study the picture. Add S to the name word that make it mean more than one. When you put S in the word, what does it mean?
S.
Hindi. Pag nilagay mo ng S yung word, ano ibig sabihin? More than
One.
one. So when you say mug, does it mean two or one?
Two.
Mug.
Mug.
Oh, wait. When you say mug, is it two or one? Mug.
One.
One only. So when you say mugs,
Two.
more than?
More than one.
More than one. O ano yan dapat?
S.
With S. Okay. How about this one? How many stars are given this? No, how many stars
Ay.
given?
One.
One. So, ano yan?
A.
Anong A?
R.
No! Wala kang lalagay. Wala kang lalagay. Wala kang ilalagay, Didi. Wala. Sabi dito sa direction, study the picture. Add S to the name word. So, make it mean more than one. Ang given is isang star lang. So, wala kang i-change. Leave it like that.
This one.
Leave it as is.
This din to.
Leave mo lang yan.
Opo.
Listen to me. Leave mo lang yan. Leave as is. Kung ano lang binigay ni teacher, yun lang. Wala nang is.
Opo.
How about this one?
No.
Ano lang? Hayaan mo lang. How about this one? Wait. How many dogs?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Oh, ano yan?
A.
With S. Why do you put S? Ha, why did you put S?
Alam mo naman is
Bakit mo nga nilalagyan ng S? Kasi, it's more than,
1.
ito, ano yan?
Bananas.
Bananas. Kasi, how many bananas are given? Oh, that's bananas. Check the pictures and words that match. This is an apples. So, tama. Sisters.
No.
Why?
Kasi
Because it should be
should be
sister.
sister.
Without
R. S.
because
Because
it has only
1.
very good. How about this one? Why did you put a check?
Kasi si Tita Chicken.
No, it's only one. So it should be 3.
Ito din dalawa.
I know. Yeah, you have to put check. Right. Ako pa yung mali. Kasi it's 3. Very good. Crayons. How many crayons are given?
3.
3 with S. How about this one?
Yes.
How about this
Yes.
one? No. How many circles? Count. Oh, is it circle or circles?
Circles.
Oh, we're not yet done. We haven't studied this one.
What?
What's this?
Mama, tama ko.
Yes, I know. What's this? I'm asking you first. What's this?
Cheese.
Kapag he, teka lang, pag he,
Girl.
it refers to
Boy.
a boy. Kapag she, it refers to pag she, it refers to what? Pag she, it refers to what? Bibi.
She, girl.
Girl, okay. So why did you put she? Sa pencil. Ang pencil ba? Look at this pencil. Is it a boy or girl? Undefinite. Hindi mo alam kung boy or girl. This is a thing.
King.
So it should be it. Umupo ka, maayos. Dion. I said you sit down properly. Kasi sabi mo humiga ka. Okay? So when you say pencil, is it a he or she?
She.
Pencil.
Huh? Him.
He? This is a boy?
It.
Is this a boy?
E.
It. Because it is undefinite. Hindi mo alam kung boy o girl. So it kasi thing. She. Pag sinabi she, ano siya?
Girl.
Okay, very good, ah. Again, pag sinabing he, ano siya?
Boy.
Pag she,
Girl.
girl. Kapag ka, it,
It, isip ko.
it,
Things.
things. Do you have any assignment today? Tomorrow we will study letter B, ah. Letter B, ah. Tanda mo yung mga pinabasa ko sa'yo.
Babana ko.
No, you have still,
Ow. Ow.
85 and 86.
86.
Still have another assignment, Kiki. Read the words.
Narin ko na.
Okay, what's this?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, see? Your teacher will ask you this tomorrow.
Hindi. Sasayin na namin.
Yeah, you already read this.
Mami, oh.
Oh.
Mami, oh. Tama, ano ba to? Oh.
Has.
Has.
Spell.
Has.
Look at the spelling.
Has.
Spelling.
H. A.
Behave.
A.
Behave, Dion. Yes. Ayoko magalit.
S.
Again. No, again.
H. A. S.
He.
Ano na?
He.
Ano sabihin? H. E.
Here.
H. E. R. E.
Have.
H. A. V. E.
Help. Umupo ka, Marius. Help.
H. E. L. P.
How.
E. H. H. O. W.
Again. Ikaw magbasa. Ikaw lang. What's this? Has. Very good. This one. He.
Q.
H-E. Ito.
Q.
Huh? This is the he. Here.
Here.
Look at the spelling, ha? How.
Have. Help.
How. Has. H. Repeat. Say
How.
it. Say after me. Cabbage. Huh? House? Is it house? Is that house? Has. Spell. Follow me. H-A-S. Copy me. H-A-S. He. H-E.
H-E.
Again.
She. H-E.
Tandaan mo yung spelling sa utak, ha? Natanong ka ng teacher tomorrow. I'll ask your teacher kung tama yung spelling mo. H-E-R. Here. Nandito. English na nandito. Here. H-E-R. E.
E.
Ano?
H.
Basahin mo maigi.
H-E-R-E.
Again, what's this?
H.
What's this? What word is this? How can you read this one? Here! Yung sinasabi ko, yung hindi ka naman focus sa yung sinasabi ko eh. Here! Spell!
H-E-R-E.
Have! H-V-E.
Have. H-A-V-E.
Help!
Help. H-E-L-P.
Again?
H-E-E-L-P.
How?
How? H-O-W.
Has?
A-H-A-S.
Okay, dito sa 86, help Cupid find the word or names that begin with the letter H. Color the hearts red.
Wala akong color, sorry.
Where's your colors? Where's your crayons? Where's your crayons?
Hinahanap ko na eh.
Ito, kasi I kept it because you... Ito, diba? I kept it kasi nakakalat lang siya kanina sa baba. Haven't keep it kanina.
Mami.
Color the Cupid. Find the word that begins with the letter H. H. What's that? Helen. Mais ka na clean ng color mo. Helen. Wala, lahat naman yung letter H eh.
Hindi, isa ng letter.
This is Helen.
Ito.
Yeah, dalawa. Makinig ka muna sa akin. Henry.
Ito.
Ham. Hot. Ayusin mo yung crayon mo, ah. Ay, yung color mo.